Among all of the YouTube search niches, there's one in particular right now that's blowing up like crazy. I have never seen so many channels do so well within a matter of months. The reason for that is because this niche has gained so much search traffic within the last 8 months, it's unheard of. The niche that I'm talking about here is the AI niche. Apart from ChatGPT, there are countless of other AI tools that are emerging every single day. There are a lot of people leveraging AI to get work done, but there are also a lot of people that make YouTube videos about AI that make thousands of dollars, and you can be one of them. The good part is, I don't think AI is just a trend. AI is here to stay. So if you see my previous videos about YouTube search-based channels, you understand that this right there is a golden opportunity. As right now, there's not that much supply yet for relevant videos about all of these AI tools, yet the search traffic is coming in and will continue to come in for months, if not years down the line. Because of that, today I want to break down channels that are already doing this successfully, plus explain to you how you can set up one of these channels so that you can get millions of views per month in the AI niche. The first channel that is killing it is How To in 5 Minutes. This channel has 45 videos and 113,000 subscribers. As you can see, the channel is also monetized. In case you're wondering how I know, you can get this Chrome extension Is YouTube Channel Monetized. Within just 2 months, they were able to get a video up to 1.4 million views, 790,000 views, 500,000 views, close to 500,000, and the list goes on. Now what's insane is that they're close to 5 million views, and they started the channel just 4 months ago. And what's funny as well is that these videos are not that hard to put together. They're actually using AI to make videos about AI, and that's what they make money with, which is pretty genius. They've got the AI character explaining in the beginning of the video what they're gonna do, and then after that, it is simple screen recording on a website. And it's not luck. This channel has 44 videos, close to 50,000 subscribers, and also gets videos with tons and tons of views. The channel started about 6 months ago and is close to 2 million views. Now those two are just making videos about AI. This channel right there, the AI Edge, is actually mixing this with the Make Money Online niche, showing you how you can make money online by using AI. This video right there is a great example. 4 months, 825,000 views. And the list goes on and on. There's one final channel that I want to show you. 56 videos, 20k subscribers, great view count on most of these videos. But what's funny is the quality of these videos. I recommend you take a look yourself, but this is literally the video avatar that they're using to get these videos done, which to me seems pretty funny. Yet this still gets over 260,000 views within just 4 months. They're also selling stuff in the backend. If I click on this link, you'll see that they're selling these very same characters that they're using in the video. So it's likely that converts pretty well. So the great thing about these channels is that they're easy to put together, you don't have to show your face, and you can even use AI to make the videos explaining AI. Alright, so you've now seen all of these channels, you know for a fact that there are a lot of channels getting views, but why does that actually happen? Why is this such a golden opportunity? Reason number one, low competition. Compared to any other niche that gets this kind of search traffic, there's not that much competition. Niches like the fitness niche, the general how-to niche, and the tech niche already have a lot of content as well as search traffic, but because of that, the competition is simply higher. And it's not only that, with AI, there are new tools coming out every single day, allowing you to have another video ready day by day on all these new platforms and all of these new problems, which is perfect for the YouTube search-based model. In case you're not quite sure what the YouTube search-based model is, check out the previous video I made. I'll leave a link in the description down below. So one of the tools that became mainstream is ChatGPT. Now, if you search for ChatGPT tutorial and look at the views on all of these videos, it will blow your mind. But ChatGPT is just one of them. There are dozens, if not thousands of AI tools that are popping up every single month as of right now. Which brings me to reason number 2, which goes in combination with reason number 1, which is the search volume is crazy. A lot of these AI companies are now starting to run ads, do marketing, influencer deals, and because of that, all these tools are becoming more and more popular by the day. So search traffic in combination with low competition is the best thing you can have if you want to grow a channel like this. Those are the two elements that I had myself when I started my first ever YouTube search-based channel back in 2020. That 9 months later was doing $10,000 a month. If you want to learn how I did that, click on the link in the description down below, submit your email, and then within just a few days, I'm going to give you all of the details. videos. Then will come up the reason number 3, which is endless video opportunities. Because there are so many tools and so many problems and so many things coming up every single day, there are countless of tutorial videos you can make about all of these topics, which means that this niche has a gold mine potential. Let me explain. If you have just made a ton of videos about one of the AI tools that is now blowing up, and you're already ranking very high in these search results because first of all, there's low competition, second of all, your video is good, then you've got all these videos established in the search page, which now means that every single person is going to search for the tool that you make videos about will end up on your videos. So instead of starting one channel on just one single tool, I recommend you take all of the tools, make tutorial videos on all of them, so that whatever it is that people are searching for, they'll end up on your channel. Plus, you don't want to place all of your eggs in one basket. Yes, ChatGPT is definitely established and is getting there. However, because there's so many AI tools, we don't really know which one is going to win. So the best strategy would be to make videos about all of them or as many as you can so that you've got as much chance as possible to have one of the videos blow up because that specific AI tool is the one that becomes popular. If you're struggling to find all of these tools, I recommend you go to there'sanai4that.com and you'll end up on this website right here, which basically shows you a bunch of brand new AI tools. You can also just do a Google search, best new AI tools, and you'll find tons of articles that you can simply click on, then go through in order to find all of these tools. For example, Dream Studio. I would then open up a brand new tab, search for Dream Studio, and you'll see all these search terms pop up right here in the search bar. For example, Dream Studio AI upload image. You could then analyze whether this video is good or bad to make. Then if you choose correctly dozens of times over and over again, you have dozens of videos ranking high in the search results for your AI videos. Now, I'm not just making all this stuff up. I actually have a channel with 124 million views, which has made over $500,000 in AdSense revenue. You'll see YouTube search and external, which is Google search, brought in pretty much all of my views, which shows you I know what I'm talking about when it comes to search traffic and building these search-based channels. This is 2023 so far on this channel, which as you can see is extremely steady. The reason for that is because all of these videos are ranking in search, meaning they'll stay there for a while, and there are thousands of people searching for the videos that I'm ranking for every single day, allowing me to simply build up the channel day by day, which also results in pretty good revenue on this channel right here. This is another search-based channel that I have. In May last year, I did 350,000 views in a month, and because these are search-based channels, I continue to upload relevant videos that then rank in search. You can see that the view count just steadily goes up and up over time, allowing me to make more and more money every single month, which is pretty fantastic. In May, we did $13,251 with just this channel alone. So I do actually know what I'm talking about. Hopefully that puts some credibility behind me saying that the AI technology niche right now is the thing you should focus on if you want to build a search-based channel. And if you're not completely sure yet how you can do that, I've actually got an offer coming up within the next few days. So subscribe to the channel, click on the link in the description down below, submit your email so that I can reach out as soon as that offer is there, which I promise is going to help you build a successful search-based channel, just like the one on the screen or the other one I just showed you, or one of these AI channels. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. Within the first 24 hours of this video going live, I'm replying to every comment that I get. And click right here if you want to learn more about these so-called search-based YouTube channels.